So any YouTube channel, how to use the end screen and cards. What is the benefit by the end screen and the cards? So first of all, I'm selecting this video. Any video will be checked, the format will be using for video key toolbar will be installed. Video key toolbar will be installed. Without install video key toolbar, the video fulfilled by the end screen and cards we can't enable. So the information given by the video key toolbar. So I'm selecting this video. Cards and end screen will be not available. This is most important by the increase the YouTube subscriber and other video views also. Other video view also. So how to we can use on particular video to promote to other videos. That is called click edit video. Which video is not there by the end screen card, select the edit video option. Or else we can using by video manager option also. So first of all, any video will be upload. Select option called is end screen. End screen nothing but end of the video you can enable by the two videos and the subscribe button. That is called increase your YouTube channel subscribers. Select it. I can add the video relevant. This one. Just add your subscribe button here. Next, add another video. Don't disturb by your content. That's very important. Don't disturb by your content. Save changes. And when finish of end screen, they're showing for YouTube subscriber. Other, then play the videos. This is you can promote by your other video also. Here one question is that you can promote other channel video also. But it's a class posting. We always posting for your videos. You can promote by end screen. Other YouTube will be accept, but we don't post other YouTube channel videos. If any necessary, add the one video by week once. So click for cards. End screen accept by the 4 option. Cards will accept by the 5 options. Select your card. Select it. Card nothing but is a sponsored video cards. Sponsored video cards. Select it. In a card will be created by your poll option also. Which one? Poll option will be create. Adding 2 videos. Done. Automatic save is done. And next one. Finished by the subtitle by CC. This will be your based on your language. Select by your translation. This is your translation. Everything will be ready. When play the video, the translation will be given by the particular video option. Just go here. Now, I'll show 2 options. Which one? End screen and cards. Play the video. After save changes. Video was playing here. When coming to end screen, end of the video time, I can see subscribe button, watch another video, another 2 videos. Don't disturb by your content. So if it's not required, we can't go this option. This will be fixed by your scenes option. Is it clear? This will. Next will be cards. Cards will be showing for in this option. The ad. Ad time they are not visible by end screen and the cards. So here, skip ad. Coming to this 2 options. Clear? 1, 2, 3 videos. And end screen you can add the 5 videos and in this case we will add the 4 videos. Cards we are adding for 5 videos. So cards as adding for only for 3 is mandatory for particular YouTube videos. Why? Because 2 will be adding for sponsored video ads on your particular YouTube channel. So end screen adding for 3, cards we adding for 3. Enough for the particular option. You're promoting for 4 videos. End screen add the 4 videos. But any video important by the subscribe button. That is a promote by the end screen and the cards option. So most of the people using by end screen to subscribe your channel to give the end screen option. Cards will be promoted by your YouTube channel videos using by this option. Any channel without uploading end screen and cards, we will showing for errors. That is a must and should important by the particular YouTube channel to promote your videos using end screen and cards option.